Tuberculosis is a highly contagious disease that attacks the lungs and kills thousands of people every day around the world.
We are talking here about a tragedy that is unfolding every single day. By the end of the day, 5,000 people will be dead.
Ernesto Jaramillo of the World Health Organization says while tuberculosis is a curable disease, people are dying from new strains of the bacteria that is resistant to drugs. Every year, 440,000 new cases of multi-drug resistant TB are diagnosed. Half of those cases come from China and India, and those are just the known cases. The Center for Global Health Policy, a U.S. advocacy group, says the majority of people with drug-resistant TB are never diagnosed or treated. For patients who do get treatment, the chances of being cured if infected with drug-resistant TB is only 30 to 60%.
So what it means is that you've lost many of the drugs that normally would be used to treat TB. So it becomes very difficult to treat.
Dr. Celine Gounder of the health organization CREATE says the appearance of drug-resistant TB is due to weak healthcare systems or a lack of patient education. She says in countries with little TB education, patients often don't finish the full course of antibiotics or they take the drugs incorrectly.
For example, India, you can buy TB medications from your local pharmacy. And so patients may not take the correct mix of medications for the right period of time, and that also contributes to drug resistance.
The World Health Organization says the rise in drug-resistant TB can be reversed.
The major force behind the epidemic is lack of investment in basic TB control and a reflection of major weaknesses in the healthcare systems.
In a new report, the U.S. government is calling TB a global health emergency. It aims to reduce the number of TB deaths and ramp up diagnosis and treatment around the world by 2014. U.S. health organizations are calling on Congress to provide more funding to support international efforts to control TB. They say when the U.S. acts, other countries will follow. Elizabeth Lee, VOA News.